Since company has specializes in wheel repair machine for 10 years, with the strength of diamond cut wheel repair machine, we balance machine, tire changer, wheel oven, rim straightening machine, etc. with good quality and pretty competitive price. We are the first manufacturer of diamond cut wheel repair machine in China. Our hot sale diamond cut wheel repair CNC lathe adopts high precision Ruby probe, lengthen jaws, diamond cutter, optimized software. The machine can probe the wheel face and cut automatic. Can repair different shape wheels. Can realize rainbow line. Can save probe date for next same wheel cutting. Can save you time and money. We machine and software is special designed for wheel repair. We have exports this machine to UK, USA, Australia, South Korea, South Africa, Europe countries, about 70 countries. Also we have our own professional designers to meet any of your requirements. Should you have any questions, call us, we will offer best machine and service to you.